If you've ever dumped pictures or videos from your phone or your camera, you know how messy that folder can get real quick. So in Python, I built a small tool to help you automatically sort the pictures and the videos into separate folders and categorize them. So if you want to try this tool for yourself, you can find it on my GitHub. It will be linked in the description. Just a quick note, Windows might flag it for potential malware, but there's no malware. The source code is on the GitHub. If you want to just build the tool yourself, go ahead and copy and paste the source code into any Python interpreter, and you should be good to go without having to download the exe. But if you want the exe, it's also there. All right, so here's the GitHub page. Here's the full README, and to get the latest version, right here on releases. And here's the exe. If you just want the source code, again, it will be right here. There is the source code. If you want to build it yourself, just copy and paste it. Make sure you include a PNG if you decide to build the code yourself. Without the PNG, you will get an error code and it will not compile. Just a heads up. Other than that, let's do a quick demo. All right, for the demo, I have 3 folders. I have a media dump folder that has assorted pictures and videos. I have a pictures folder and a videos folder. Inside the dump folder is just random vacation pictures, some cat pictures, some cat videos, and we want to get it sorted. So what we'll do is we'll look into this picture folder. It's empty, nothing in here, no folders, nothing. Video, same thing, there is nothing in it. And in order to get our media sorted, let's run the executable. All right, so once you have the tool open, you can see here it's going to ask you for a source folder. The source folder is going to be the folder with your mixed media. It's going to have your pictures and your videos. And the one after that is going to be your pictures destination folder. This is the folder where all your pictures are going to go. And under that is going to be the video folder. This is where all your videos are going to go. And at the very bottom, we have a progress bar. So once you have these filled in, you can sort media. So let's go ahead and let's choose this. Let's go to our desktop. Let's go to our media dump folder for our main. And then we will find our picture destination folder. Pictures. And the video folder. Video. Once we have those 3 in, we will sort the media. And we'll get a little pop-up saying sorting complete. We moved 26 images and 38 videos. All right, so let's see our main dump folder now. Completely empty. Good. And let's check our pictures. So pictures, we have a 2024 and 2025 folder. If you have different dates, you'll have different folders. So it also gives us the month. And that's a dead snake. Let's find a better picture. All right, this is me and the boy. There we go. Some tacos. Gotta love tacos. Ooh, the boy's YouTube. Yeah, he loves to eat. Adventure Axel. Watch his Axel Eats series. All right, very cool. Let's check the 2025. Maybe more here. Yep, we got more folders here. Ooh, who's that handsome young man? All right, very cool. So all the pictures are set, ready to go. And our videos. Huh. Let's change the sort by name. Very cool. So now we have videos. We got some cats. We gotta love cats. No, making biscuits. All right, and let's check the other folder just to make sure. What do we got here? Puppies. Oh, it's a puppy. We got pupperinos. Cats and puppies? No, just more kitty cats. There you go. Media has been sorted. Pictures are in pictures, videos are in videos, and they are dated. So you keep everything a little more organized. And that's pretty much it. Once you've used this tool, pretty much don't need it until next time you dump your folders again. You don't have to go one by one. You can have Python do it for you. So again, if you want to build this yourself, the GitHub will have the source code. Just copy and paste it to any interpreter, PyCharm, Thonny, whatever you want, and try it for yourself. If you have any recommendations of what kind of tools we should build next, leave them in the comments. But if not, hopefully the next tool comes out very soon.